दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। The appellant is aggrieved by indefinite order of blacklisting dated 8/9/2009. The High Court dismissed the writ petition only on the ground of delay as having been preferred 10 years later. The learned counsel for the appellant submits that it holds a valid license under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 in Form 28 issued by the Drugs Control Administration, Government of Andhra Pradesh. The company had obtained supplies from the appellant in the year 2007 and in turn had supplied it to the respondent under a tender notice. The brand name of the medicine was correctly mentioned. The composition of the medicine was also correctly mentioned. The generic term was only missing on the label. It was therefore a case of bona fide inadvertent printing error which resulted in misbranding. The product was not substandard or spurious veterinary medicine. The appellant was served with an order of blacklisting by the Office of Director, Animal Husbandry Department of the respondent, referring to the state analyst report, declaring the batch supplied by the appellant to be of substandard quality, thus violating clauses of the tender. The appellant informed the respondents that it had never made any supplies to them under the tender in question. The misbranding referred to was an inadvertent error. The respondents required certain further clarifications which were furnished but to no outcome. The order of blacklisting is causing great prejudice to the appellant, preventing it from participating in similar tenders, the most recent being the rejection by the government of Rajasthan for the said reason. No proceedings were taken out by the respondents against the appellant under sections 23, 25, 26 and 27 of the Drugs Act. The explanation furnished for the delay in the writ petition has not been considered properly. The order of blacklisting, being in violation of the principles of natural justice, delay is irrelevant and the cause of action continues because of its indefinite nature and consequences. Learned counsel for the respondents submits that the writ petition was rightly dismissed on grounds of gross and inordinate delay of 10 years in challenging the order of blacklisting. It was preceded by a show cause notice and consideration of the reply submitted. The veterinary medicine was misbranded in terms of Section 9 of the Drugs Act, duly supported by the report of the analyst. Any latent defect in the show cause notice has not caused any prejudice to the appellant. The impugned orders therefore merit no interference. We have considered the submissions on behalf of the parties and are satisfied that the writ petition deserves to be allowed for more than one reason. This explanation by the appellant in reply to the show cause notice finds no consideration by the respondents at any stage. The appellant initially sought to purse matters with the respondents. The appellant requested the respondents for allowing it to participate in further tenders. The matter was also subsequently followed up by the appellants in writing with the respondents. The appellant again requested to withdraw the order. The respondents rejected the request of the appellant, reiterating violation of clauses of the tender. It, however, sought certain additional information to consider the representation of the appellant which was submitted. The appellant was also debarred from consideration by the state of Rajasthan by reason of the impugned order of blacklisting. In absence of any response thereafter from the respondents, the writ petition came to be instituted. There is no dispute that the injunction was not supplied to the respondents by the appellant. Yet, the show cause notice referred to further action in terms of the tender for supplying misbranded medicine to the respondent. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने इसे अच्छे से किया होगा। मेहनत लगातार करते रहिए। वीडियो को लाइक करे बिना मत जाइएगा और कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिएगा कि आपकी मिस्टेक्स कितनी आई। आपसे मुलाकात करता हूँ अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।